In this video, we'll be going over our built-in referral system. So to start out, we're going to want to come down to our marketing tab again, and we'll be going to our referrals tab. Now you see in this demo account, I already have a ton of referees here. So in your case, if this is a brand new account, this will likely be blank until people start referring orders for you. So we'll go ahead and we'll go to our referral settings and enable referrals. And now we're going to immediately have some options. So firstly, when someone refers a friend or colleague, do you want to give them store credit or are you just going to pay them in cash outside of the store? If you choose cash, then you see the option here is to settle balance. So it'll let us know that we owe Zachariah $120. And whenever you pay him outside of GoPrep, you could just settle that balance. I'm going to switch that back to store credit because I feel like that's a little bit more convenient for you as the store owner. So in this case, Zachariah has a redemption code. He'll be able to see this from his own account as well, but you could provide it to him if he needs. And basically, he'll have $120 worth of credit. It works very similar to a gift card. And he'll be able to redeem this code during checkout the same way he would a gift card, and it'll come out of that balance. Let's go back into referral settings and we could specifically say where we want this information to display for people. So show in notifications and show on menu. What does this mean? When the customer is logged in, notifications would be right at the top of the page in their settings tab. So they would have to go out of their way to find their customer link. Whereas show on menu would show right on the face of the menu, right at the top. So show on menu is a great way to let everybody know you could be a referral, you could be an affiliate, and you could earn some cash back. Show in notifications is a way to keep it a little bit more hidden, but still allow anybody to be able to access it if they want. Next, we could determine the frequency of how often does that affiliate get credit for the orders. So for example, you see here Zachariah has his own unique referral URL, and he could share that with his friends. So do we want him to get credit for all orders with only that link? For the first order only of somebody he refers? Or for all orders? So if Zachariah refers John Doe, and the first time John Doe uses Zach's link, does he get credit for every single order that John Doe orders, or was it only when there's a link used or first time orders only? So you can kind of have control of how often are they actually getting that credit. Finally, you can determine the amount of credit that they get, the amount of kickback that they get for each of those referrals. Is it going to be a percentage of the sale or just a flat rate for each new order that they get in for you? And finally, what's really cool is we could link a coupon to a referral. So what do I mean by that? So let me go ahead and cancel this and we're going to jump back over to coupons. I'm going to create a coupon code named Danny, and that'll just be for, let's say, 10% off and free delivery. And I'm just going to refresh my page just to make sure that all the data that I need shows up. And when I come back to my referrals page and hit referral settings, you see that coupon Danny now shows up. Now I could link that to one of my customers. In this case, I linked the coupon Danny to myself, Danny Alley. So in this case, myself, Danny Alley, no longer needs to send that lengthy URL code to people. I could just tell my friends, hey, go and order on this menu, use the coupon code Danny, you'll get 10% off your meal, and at the same time, I'm automatically getting credit for that because my user account is linked to that coupon. So just a great way to avoid people having to send these lengthy URLs to people. They could just have their own custom coupon code that they refer to their friends. And of course, you could always review here to see how much credit each affiliate has earned, how many orders it was based on, how many customers it was based on, and the total revenue that they've been able to earn for you.